government's Integrated Finance Management Information System, IFMIS, improved, or the National Treasury introduced a new payment platform altogether. The Council of Governors Finance Committee Chair Nderitu Muriithi says the IFMIS system configuration does not support provisions for the pending bills, making it hard for them to pay the suppliers.
In June, National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Ukur Yatani directed counties to clear all pending bills by the end of last month. To help devolved units pay their suppliers, the National Treasury disbursed 43.5 billion shillings to counties meant to clear the pending bills. However, the Council of Governors say there are challenges with the Integrated Financial Management Information System, IFMIS, that have led to delays in paying suppliers on time. The governors say the configuration on the IFMIS do not support provisions for pending bills, making it difficult to account for the payments. The county governors are now calling for an efficient payment platform that reflects the amount paid to suppliers and keep track of the pending bills. They are calling on the National Treasury to consider retiring IFMIS and procure a system that can adequately monitor and capture county spending and make provisions for multiple entries. Speaking during a Senate Committee on Finance and Budget hearing, CBK Governor Dr. Patrick Njoroge and the Auditor General Nancy Gathungu say there's need to improve the IFMIS system to make it more efficient and offer real-time information to users. However, they dismissed the proposal by some senators and governors that the IFMIS systems should be replaced with a more efficient payment system, saying plans are underway to improve the system and it will be cheaper and logical to update as well as make improvements on it. The Auditor General said the IFMIS system has been updated severally since being adopted and will still get additional features in due course. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.
Kenyan